And sorry for so much delay that we took to start this program for Teachers Day, which is actually scheduled on Saturday, but since we have holidays, so we have to prepone it today. So not to let you guys wait much, first of all I welcome Dr. V.D. Pathak sir. Thank you so much for coming and sparing your time. Dr. Jodh sir, thank you so much. Dr. Rahim Munshi, thank you. Radhika ma'am, Nupur ma'am and Sonal ma'am. We have a great faculty with us, so please allow applause for them. So there are many various activities that we have planned for the faculty as well as the juniors as well as our classmates. So that can be fun, but starting off with today's plan, we are off with speech. Each and every student are going to say something about their faculty. So I'll start with my speech. I'll start with Dr. V.D. Pathak sir. Dr. V.D. Pathak sir, something to say about is that I am not of that level that I could speak anything about sir. But since I've been given this opportunity, I can tell you guys that it is enormously, very much knowledgeable person that I've ever met. And whenever I want to seek any advice in my life, I approach Dr. Pathak sir, and till date I have tried that not only for QA sessions that he teaches us, but beyond that, each and every part of my life, rather it is academics, rather it is future thinking, I believe that whatever he advises would be something very logical, and whatever his enormous experience is out of that. It is a condensed knowledge. So I welcome Pathak sir for today's event. And sir, this is for you. Thank you. Really, thank you for spending your time, sir.
Hello everyone. Good morning, sir. Welcome you all in the day of Teachers Day. Today I am going to tell about Mr. Jodh Mohan sir. He is our respected HOD of MBA department from ITM Universe. Let me share you my experience when I came to admission on the first day. I met to Sonam ma'am, and then she told me that go and meet Mr. Jodh sir. Then I was supposed that how the person he will be. Then me and my father went to our HOD office, and then we saw Jodh sir. Actually, I remember exactly that time on 27th. That date was 10/27. Then on that date, when I paid my fees for admission, on that day, unfortunately, our respected president, 11th president, Sir Abdul Kalam sir, was passed away. So at that time, this comes to my mind that there is a loss of one personality, and instead of him, I get Mr. Jodh Mohan sir to motivate me, to support all of us as a HOD of our MBA program. One important thing about him, he always try to record everything which is happening in the campus. What you do, what he does. Right now, he is also taking a video. So I like this thing of Jodh Mohan sir very much. He also subscribed on YouTube also, so you can subscribe their channel on YouTube, so you can see what he is doing during his academic career. Also, one thing which we should learn from him is he did his PhD at the age of 55 to 60. Means we proved that there is no age to study, there is no age for do something creative, do something which is important for your career, important for your respect. So please give big hands for Mr. Jodh Mohan. Sir, I request you to motivate and support all of us during this whole.
Some teachers are funny, some teachers are always right, some teachers are cute, some teachers are annoying, some teachers are boring, some teachers are irritating. but you are hard to label because in every possible way you motivate and inspire us day after day.
First of all, thanks to the committee member who gave me the opportunity to describe a person who literally is my role model in my career. So, not going forward. Today is a special day. Today we recognize the great sacrifice that our teachers have made for us, and today we commemorate those who have taken up the task of educating us and giving us through life itself. Today we honor our teachers, all of you who have in one way or another played a part in the shaping of who we are and who we are here to be. A teacher is more than educator. A teacher can play all roles, the role of friend, counselor or mentor. A teacher can be guiding force in our lives even after we pass through the portals of our college and step into the world that lies ahead to be conquered. All these qualities are being possessed by our very respected Professor Rahim Munshi. In these years of our youth, when the friends we make are likely to be friends we keep, it is he who guides us on our path. When we fall, more often than not, it is he who picks up, dusts us off, and gets us back on our feet. When sorrow comes our way, and all who surround, we can offer no solace. It is uncommon for him to lend us a shoulder to carry. How many of us gone to him for help? I can assure you today that all of us have at one point or another sought his help. Today I would like to honor you for all that you have done for us. You have always been there when we needed you. You have never failed us in any way. You have accepted our feelings with good humor. You have always forgiven us our many wrongs. You have never turned away anyone who sought your help. You have never degraded us. Today we respect you for the wonderful people you have been and the great human being that you are, you always will be. I can say that although I may be aggravating at times, perhaps even many times, appreciate you for who you are. You have been all things to me. You have been a friend, a counselor, a mentor, a guide, and educator. You have shown me by example the way to lead my life. I continue to tread the roots of my life. You have given me your love, and I could not ask for any more. So, actually the reason for writing this script was don't want to miss any specification for this person. So, want to describe everything actually due to the scarcity of time. Otherwise, I think many of pages should be less for this person.
I'm happy that you are my teacher as I enjoy each lesson you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day you are planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to know and to grow and succeed. You help me fulfill my potential. I am thankful for all that you have done. I admire you each day and I just want to say, as a teacher, you are number one.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sagar, from where did you copy the speech? That was
As we have the Reserve Bank of India, which is the center of enormous wealth and lends it to the much needed bank, when we have Latika ma'am as the reserve knowledge of ITA, as she is the center of enormous knowledge and lends it to the much needed students of ITA. Dedication, sincerity, determined focus are some of the description or qualities that ma'am has. We are really lucky and proud to have Latika ma'am as our faculty, and we feel immensely proud to have an inspiration like you, ma'am. One thing is for sure, that whenever in life we are to achieve any milestone, we will make it sure I began your class, I think I knew the kind of challenges you would make me face. You gave me motivation to pursue the best and to reject the commonplace. Your thinking really opened up my mind with wisdom, style, and grace. You made me see that I had to choose to see. I had surely find you shook me out of my complaints. I thank you now for everything you have done. What you have taught me, I am not out. Your kind attention touched my mind and heart in many ways that you will never know. I'll remember you my whole life.
Compliment. And whenever she cracks any joke, we are not aware about it. We like a very good student nod at her, but then she laughs and then we come to know that it was a joke. Next, I would like to invite Manali, who is going to speak for Nupur ma'am. So please.
Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. Teachers Day are celebrated for giving a healthy tribute to our teachers for their hard work for making our future. Luckily, I got an opportunity to speak about my favorite teacher, Nupur ma'am. I think she is born for teaching. She is passionate for teaching. She is teaching in such a way that boarding subject will become interesting. Apart from that, she has very much many additional qualities like she is good classical dancer, she has knowledge about music, and the great thing is that she is yoga teacher also. Till the time, what I am able to grasp is I have discovered that you have so many traits, and beyond time I believe there are many more to come. Please seek your blessings. Well, that's all I have got to say. We hope that she have a bright future. Thank you.
The clarity you gave me, it showed like angel rays, like water rushed on golden sands and crashed along the waves. The question deep within my heart confused my humbled mind. Yet when you spoke your words aloud, it seemed no longer I was alone. The answers all came flooding in. They touched my inner soul. The knowledge that you gave me within my heart, I hold. I understood that the events that troubled me somehow was nothing to be frightened of. Instead, I should be proud. I thank you, ma'am. These words I say aloud, for the clarity you have given me has made me feel quite proud.
Okay, next
Coordinated with all, so I was not being here for the speech. So, well, if I talk about my journey for ITM for the 1 year, let us take, every day since the day one, Veet sir has only thing during the reception lecture he has taught us that you have to promise yourself that I will grow every day. And the only thing that I was kept in my mind that every day through coming to the college, I will do something for myself, which give me growth of my career. And let me say, even I am not able to give you a proper introduction. Jyot sir has taken the introduction session for the first day, and the last day which I was given a presentation, I can feel myself how much grow during the ITM, during my career. So that was the one thing, and after that, I am thankful to all my faculties for whatever I am, even the treatment which I am getting at Hex Wireless, at the company, which is extraordinary, other than an ordinary employee. Let me tell you, the day one which I was joined, I was known as, my profile is to online sales executive, but through which the Anjali HR person is there, is continuously guiding me. Apart from actually on the day one, actually 2 recruitments are there. But I was giving a special treatment. Why? Because I am from ITM. As previous batches for ITM has created such a unique image there. This was only due to their efforts and the faculty's efforts are showing up there. So not only this, but I am thankful to all of you guys.
Teachers do a lot of difficult work to move their students. They work as mentors and do their best to shape their students into good human beings. Today, I am going to tell my views about Sonam ma'am. I want to thank her for all her efforts to make her school responsible and to shape their future. The power of learning, adapting, problem-solving skills and individual attitude and many other skills are polished by her. I want to thank her for all she has done for us. For your patience and care, kind words and sharing, I just want to say, why sir? Here we see hearing you, explaining the lessons with love and with. Although you may not realize it, but I can. I know your desire to lead us with your blessed hand into an unseen life. The day may be dark, but you'll not pause yourself is an unshaped light, holding our hands, befriending us through this darkness, and here we will. We may have done too much faults, especially to the person befriending us till now. Without feeling dejected, especially to you, we might have disappointed you and we might never think of you. But you made us with a smile, saying it's all done. And asking us to face the future, nobody would be. The very best guide I had ever met like you. The road is almost finished. Soon sun will come. But I'll never forget I had ever seen a much more brighter light from you. The one guiding us.
Why so?